Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to REALME GT7. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, launch it. Now to use Send Anywhere apps, you need to set them up by tapping on the same options on both smartphones. Let's start with an Android. Hit I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm at the bottom. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now on REALME, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow and then allow all. Following that, choose whatever you want to in those three. And when you're ready, hit send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to send at the bottom of REALME. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. If you want to select any files from last two categories, which is contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access this content on your Android smartphone. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. If you decided to send any apps, you need to confirm your choice by hitting OK in this pop-up. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, below enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire and connect using red receive button. This one. If you prefer to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up by hitting while using or only this time. And when your camera is ready, point it at the code. Whatever you decided, just wait for transfer to be finished. Close all ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!